how to connect Zendrop and WooCommerce. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about how you could connect or how you could integrate Zendrop together with WooCommerce. So to do this, you would need to use Shopify as the middleman. Now, you might have noticed when you first try to log into your Zendrop and try to connect your store, there are actually only three options. You have ClickFunnels, Shopify, and TikTok Shop. You don't have a WooCommerce option, but we could use Shopify over here as the middleman. Simply search apps over here, click on Shopify App Store, and simply search for WooCommerce. WooCommerce. And you will be able to see over here quick sync for WooCommerce, which you can then use to make Zendrop and WooCommerce interact. So the way this app works is that it will have inventory syncing. So whatever product is listed in your Shopify store, it will also list it for your WooCommerce. So when you add products from Zendrop to Shopify, it will then recognize those apps or those products and import it to WooCommerce as well. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.